In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money internationally with MoneyGram. By the end, you'll be ready to send funds abroad with confidence, knowing what each screen means and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the MoneyGram app on your device. If you don't have it yet, install the latest version so you have the most up-to-date features and security. Once the app launches, sign in with your account. If you're prompted to complete identity verification, follow the on-screen steps. This may include confirming personal details and submitting ID. It's a one-time process in most cases and helps keep your transfers secure and compliant with local regulations. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base where you can start a transfer, review past activity, and access settings. Look to the bottom of the screen and tap Send to begin. Next, choose the destination country. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the country you need. Some destinations require selecting a specific state or region, especially for cash pickup services, so make sure those details match where your recipient plans to receive the money. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will automatically convert the currency, show the transfer fee, and display exactly how much your recipient will receive. Take a moment to compare options, because exchange rates and fees can vary. If you see a limit message, consider adjusting the amount or verifying any additional requirements. Choose how you want to pay. You can typically use a debit card for faster processing or choose a bank transfer. Depending on your location, a bank transfer may require visiting a MoneyGram location or verifying your bank details in-app. Keep in mind that processing time can differ by method. Select how your recipient will receive the money. You can send directly to their bank account, to their MoneyGram account where available, or choose cash pickup. For cash pickup, confirm the network and location options in the destination country, including partners like certain retail stores. Remind your recipient to bring a valid ID and ensure their name matches exactly. If you have a promo code, enter it now and tap Continue. Then provide your recipient's full name and contact number, along with any other required details. Accuracy matters here to prevent delays or pickup issues. Finally, review all the transfer details carefully and tap Continue or Confirm to Send. You'll get a confirmation and, if applicable, a reference number for cash pickup. Your transfer is on its way, and your recipient will receive the funds using the method you selected. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.